that looks pretty good right there like that. Okay, I like this. Okay, now there's one more thing that they did on theirs that I thought was sort of interesting. And let me see if I can. There was a little bit of shading and highlighting they did on their example, which was kind of right in here like this. It looked like they used a pencil. And it turned out really, really pretty. Oh yeah, I can see it on the camera. I like that. So there was a pencil. And then they have one of the, oh, I can't remember what they're called right offhand. Those blending tool. They have a blending tool. I don't have a blending tool at this time. What I do have are Q-tips. I don't have a Q-tip with me, or do I? Do I have a Q-tip over here? No, I don't. I thought I did. But I know what I can use here in just a minute, and I'm going to instead. I don't have a Q-tip, but I have something else that will work. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so, okay, let's see here what I'm going to do here. I am going to give this a go and see if I can make this work. Well, I'm having a little bit of a hard time here trying to achieve what I'm trying to do. Okay, so what I've got here is just some yarn, and so I tied it around a pencil here, and I'm just going to use the yarn to blend this out. So if I don't have a blending tool, yarn works perfect. If I had a lighter color yarn, you would be able to see how good it works. Yarn, because I've done this before, that's how I know. Let's go out here. Okay, do you see that little smudge right there? I'll show you where the smudge is at. The smudge is right here. You can see where I smudged. So it's picking up, it picks up on my yarn. And so it blends it in really, really nice there like that. I like that a lot. And I didn't have to do it all perfect like I had thought. I like this part here a little bit better because it's darker. I'm going to see if I can maybe enhance this a little bit darker like that.